to sit down to work. Finally, you sit down to work. After waking up at 1 p.m. in the morning, scrolling on TikTok all day, wasting your energy, wasting your life, you finally sat down to work. But now, you don't have the energy to work. You can't work. That's the sad reality. If you waste your time the whole day, you will not have any energy in the last minutes of the day to work, to actually work your ass off and be productive. You won't have that. But I have a secret method to change your life. It's a secret habit which will make you more energized to work and work and work and work your ass off. But before I tell you that secret habit, I want to tell you something else. By clicking the top link in the description, you can book a free call with me in which I will give you free resources like an ebook, templates, and motivational posters as well by just clicking the top link in the description. And it's a one-to-one coaching program in which I help people who struggle with productivity, people who struggle with consistency, and people who struggle with discipline. And by clicking the second link in the description, that will take you to sign up for my free email newsletter in which I give you daily productivity insights just like this video to actually become productive in your email inbox. So if you're interested in that, click the second link in the description. So what is the habit that I'm talking about? The habit that I'm talking about is push-ups. Now these are not normal push-ups that you have to do for muscle hypertrophy. The main aim for doing these push-ups is to energize ourselves and make us more productive. So how do you do all this? Well, first, there are three methods to this. The first method works really well, especially when you're low on energy. What you're gonna do is when you're low on energy, for example, you're working on your laptop and you're low on energy, what you're gonna do? Put your table aside. You're gonna go down to the floor and bang out as many push-ups as you can. Go till failure. When you go till failure, you will feel fatigue and a lot of blood will move around your body, which will also get to your brain, which will lead to more energy for you. That will make you more energized to work and work and work and work your ass off even more. So do that when you're not energized. Another method that I use for me, especially to wake up, is as soon as you wake up, bang out 10 push ups. Just do them. I don't care about your form, I don't care about how you do them, you're drunk or whatever. Just do 10 push ups as soon as you wake up. It's just that simple. Just do 10 push ups as soon as you wake up, and you will see the difference in your energy, in your life, and in your work. So do 10 push-ups as soon as you wake up if you want to have a more productive day. So what is the third thing that you can do? The third thing that you can do, what's really well, before eating. Just before you eat, bang out as many push-ups as you can. Go to failure. Just keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that. Because you need something to actually deserve the food that you're about to eat. Do something to deserve the food. And you do that by banging out as many push-ups as you can. Just go, when you're about to go to eat, just bang out 30, 40, 50, I don't know how much you can do. Just bang out all those push-ups. And you will feel the difference. You will want to eat the food. You will feel more energized to eat the food. You will want to eat the food. So do that. So those were the three methods that you can do to energize yourself by using push-ups. By clicking the first link in the description down below, you can book a free call with me along with free resources. And by clicking the second link in the description down below, you can subscribe to my free email daily newsletter to get productivity insights just like this in your inbox every single day. And remember, action over words.